So now we're going to be doing a harder chain rule question. So we're still going to be using the chain rule, but we're also going to have to use the quotient rule. So write out the chain rule. So that's the chain rule, and I'm gonna plug in these numbers. So we're trying to find the derivative of this, of f of x, times the derivative of g of x, which is the whole thing minus the the cubed on the outside. So we're gonna have to use the quotient rule for this one on the right, but we can use the power rule for the one on the left. So it's 3 times 3x squared plus 2 over x to the 5th plus 4, and then that's all squared because of the power rule. And then for this one, we're gonna have to use the quotient rule, which is, and then when you plug it in, it's x to the 5th plus 4 times the derivative of 3x squared plus 2 minus 3x squared plus 2 times the derivative of x to the 5th plus 4, and then that's all over x to the 5th plus 4 squared. So you would, so for this one, that would be the final answer for the one on the left. But this one, we're gonna find the derivative of this, of the ones. So the derivative of 3x cubed plus 2 would be just 6x, because once again you're bringing the 2 down, multiplying it by the 3, and then subtracting 1 from the 2, and then the derivative of 2 is just 0. So then that's all minus 3x squared plus 2, and then we have to find the derivative of of x to the 5th plus 4, which would be 5x to the 4th. Because once again you use the power rule, and this would all be over x to the 5th plus 4 squared, and then we're supposed to stop here, but you can make that out and FOIL it, and yeah, so that's the answer.